We're going to explain how to copy a row in Excel. There are several ways to do this, and we'll cover the most common and efficient methods. 1. The simplest method is to select the entire row you want to copy. You can do this by clicking the row number on the far left of the sheet. The entire row will be highlighted. Then, you can either right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or CMD+C on a Mac. Next, navigate to where you want to paste the copied row, click the row number where you want to insert it, and right-click and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V or CMD+V on a Mac. The copied row will now appear in the new location. 2. Another way involves selecting individual cells within a row. Instead of selecting the entire row number, click and drag to select the cells you want to copy. Follow the same copy and paste steps. Right-click, copy, then right-click, paste, or use the keyboard shortcuts, as described above. Remember, this only copies the contents of the selected cells. Formatting will be copied separately. 3. If you need to copy a row and insert it below the original, there's a quicker method. Select the entire row you wish to duplicate. Click the row number. Then, hover your cursor over the bottom border of the selected row until it changes to a plus sign, plus. Click and drag downwards to create a copy of the row. You can drag as many times as you want to create multiple copies of the row. This method is efficient for creating multiple identical rows quickly. 4. For more advanced scenarios, you can use the Insert function. Select the row below where you want the copied row to appear. Right-click and select Insert. A new row will be added. You can then manually copy the contents of the desired row to this newly added row. This gives you more control if you only want to copy specific data and not the entire row's formatting. 5. Finally, remember that Excel also provides the Fill Handle tool. After selecting the row you want to copy, hover your mouse over the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. When the cursor turns into a plus sign, plus, you can click and drag down to create copies of the row. This works similarly to method 3, but is more visually intuitive for some users. These methods offer flexibility depending on your specific needs in Excel. Choose the method that best fits your workflow and desired outcome.